Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I would like to share with you a balloon garland that I made for women's conference that is happening tomorrow. I am prepping everything ahead of time. So today's Wednesday. This video will go up on Thursday tomorrow, and conference will happen on Thursday tomorrow as well. I will try to blow as many balloons as I can at home, stuff them in my trash bags, and transport those balloons to the venue, and on a spot I will build my balloon garland. That's how I like to do it. I don't like to transport already made balloon garlands in my car because you can pop your balloons. And yeah, you guys, I will try to take you with me and show you as much as I can throughout this video. I will do a voiceover because if I'll start explaining everything on the spot, it will take me hours. I want to finish that balloon garland as fast as I can, but do a great job, obviously. And I don't want to hold up all of those people who will be working at the venue. So, as I said, I will try to show you as much as I can. This video is such a great example to show you guys that you can make your balloon garlands ahead of time. You can make your balloon garlands 1 to 3 days before your party. In my opinion, that's the perfect amount of time before your party. And then after like max 4 days, your balloon garland will start to change its appearance. Indoor balloon garlands can last you for such a long time. Just use good quality balloons and you'll be good. For this balloon setup, I will be using Qualitix balloons from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. If I'm making something for somebody, I love to use Qualitix balloons because I am sure in them. They're good quality, and I am just 100% sure that they will last throughout the night, throughout 1 to 3 days before the party. I just love using them. These balloons came from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. If you never visited that website, go ahead, check them out. They have a huge selection of balloons, huge selection of types of balloons and other supplies for your parties. If you're a new customer and you'll decide to purchase something and you're a new customer to that website, you can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. Alrighty guys, let me quickly show you what I pack with me, what I am doing at home, and we'll move out to the venue. Here is what I'm planning to use for today's setup. We are going for this classic white balloon garland. I have 16, 5 and 11-inch balloons. I will build a base, this whole construction in white, and then I will add colorful, different color 5-inch balloons in navy, mint, goldenrod. This is like a mustard yellow orange color, very pretty, unusual. Pink, gray and black colors on top of this white. I love that the client gave me all the freedom. They said do whatever you want, you think is the best for this garland, so I am very thankful. And I am also going off of this specific picture that they gave me. This is a fabric that they're planning to use, or they are using at the conference. Very pretty colors, so I wanted to mimic this pattern over here on my balloon garland. On top of all these balloons, I will be using electric balloon pump, 20-pound fishing line, glue gun, low temperature glue gun, balloon tying tool, and if anything else I will be using, I'll let you know. I am building my balloon garland from white balloons, so I will be focusing on white for now. I don't have a big of a car to transport all of my balloons, but I will try to blow as many white balloons as possible. So I'm taking 2 balloons at once and I'm blowing them at the same time. As soon as you're done blowing your 2 balloons, just press them against the floor to give them more rounder shape, and then tie them together to create a pair like this. So I will try to blow 100 white balloons, and then I will blow 50 of each color in 5-inch balloons. So I hope I can fit all of it in my car. If not, I would take my husband's work van, I guess. quickly load. I am, of course, taking my pump because I'll probably use more balloons than I just blew. My extension cord, I'm also taking a very long extension cord to plug in my low temperature glue gun. I am out of my 20-pound fishing line, so I am taking my 30-pound fishing line. Balloon tying tool. I'll take some of safety pins. I don't know if I will need them, but it's always good to have them on hand just in case. Glue sticks. I am so low on glue sticks. Look at this, just a few left. I hope I'm gonna have enough. So glue sticks, command hooks, low temperature glue gun, my lovely, trusted, very dirty, I need to wash this thing, apron, so I can load my pockets with things that I would need for my balloon garland, so I don't have to go up and down with my, or from my ladder, and extra balloons. Backup, these are the dashes or glue dots. These are the best glue dots I've ever tried so far. They are from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company, so goes right into my box. And as I said, just in case, hand pump. This bag, you guys, I bought this bag for covering our Christmas tree. It wasn't big enough for our Christmas tree. Our Christmas tree is huge, so I kept this bag for my balloons. If I need to transport, I can just load them up, and this bag is pretty huge and it can hold a lot of balloons. I had a question if a balloon designer maker should buy special bags for storing balloons. Honestly, I don't see a difference if you buy a special bag or use a trash bag or a Christmas tree cover bag. I don't see a difference. I would probably purchase a special balloon storing bag if that bag will give me insurance that it will keep your balloons from oxidizing. If it's a hot weather, balloons oxidize. And if it's going to keep your balloons in the perfect shape, probably I would purchase it if it's during summer. But other than that, trash bags and you're good to go. I am ready to load and I will see you at the venue. Let me show you where I'm gonna be building my balloon garland. Do you see that stage between those two screens? There will be a balloon garland. I'm not sure what I'm doing because looking at the picture, I had a different envisioning of the stage. I thought screens would be a little bit closer together, but they are so wide apart. So we'll see. I'm gonna need a lot more balloons than I brought here. I am making my balloon garland in the regular balloon column shape, stopping once in a while to measure the length on the wall. When I was happy with the length of my garland, I shuffled some balloons around to give my garland a curvy look. I got permission to use command hooks to hang my garland on the wall, so I am using 1/2 pound command hooks. I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands. In that video, I show how I hang garlands using command hooks or using backdrop with fabric. Time to have fun and design. As you can see, I am using low temperature glue gun. If you have good quality balloons and you don't overflow your balloons with air, low temperature glue gun won't pop your balloons. If you don't feel comfortable using low temperature glue gun, you can always use rubber bands, good quality glue dots, or double-sided tape. I've never tried double-sided tape on my garlands, but people say it works. Also, if you don't want to use fishing line to construct your balloon garland, you can substitute it with curling ribbon, or you can completely construct your garland with rubber bands. This is my favorite part. These 5-inch balloons transformed this garland completely. I just hit myself so hard against the ladder. Full force. I was walking and it's like a bam. Now, like right over here, it hurts so bad. You can see the red, you guys. I'm tearing up. It hurts. I'm doing a voiceover for this video the next day, and let me tell you, I do have a bump on my forehead and it hurts. Back to our garland. This little garland was a last second decision, best decision ever. To build and set everything up at the venue took me about 3.5 hours. By blowing my balloons at home, I saved myself a lot of time. So overall, from start to finish, I would say 4.5 hours. And here is what I have for you guys today. This is my setup for this conference. You guys, I am genuinely in love with this whole setup. I love this classic white looking balloon garlands, and then on top, whole bunch of colorful balloons. I am loving the quality of these balloons. I love Qualitics. I only lost 4 balloons. They had holes, but 4 balloons out of the whole quantity of balloons here. You guys, not bad at all. I constructed both of these balloon garlands with my 30-pound fishing line. I was out of my 20-pound, so I had to use 30-pound. And then I filled in spaces and built my shapes and more volume to these garlands with the help of my low temperature glue gun. I am loving this technique. I forgot how much I love this technique. Let me quickly show you a side view with the fabric that the ladies are using. So here's the fabric, and here is the setup. So it matches really well, and I am happy about the choices of colors that I made. I am happy that they gave me total freedom to do anything I want, and I cannot be more happier. This little garland was a last minute decision, and I am happy that we added this one here behind the sign. It completes the whole thing, and it's just perfect in my opinion. I will link and list everything in the description under the video, and a few pictures will be at the end of this video as well. This is it, you guys. This is what I did for Women's Conference. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you're new here, just hit the subscribe button down below for more videos, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!